Hello guys, my name is Atar Khan and in this video I am demonstrating how to perform database level recovery. The scenario is that we have lost our one or all data files. In this situation we can perform complete database level recovery with either current control file or backup control file. First, I will show you how to restore and recover our data file with current control file and then with backup control file. So let's get started. Now we are logging in our database SQL Plus as sysdba. Now we log in. So now I want to check the location of our data files. Select name from data files. Okay, this is the location of our data files. System data files. Okay. Now I want to shut down my database because I want to delete some data files. Shut down. Immediate. I want to delete some file, that's why I have to shut down this database. So database has been shut down. So now I'm deleting some my data file. First of all, system file and undo file. So now I have deleted two of our data files. So now I'm trying to log in my database sysdba and startup. So our database is yes no mount mode. So our database yes in mount mode, but it could not be opened because some file is missing. So how can we restore and recover our database? So I want to show you this. Exit RMAN target. So now restore command, restore database. RMAN restore database command will restore every data file in our database. You can see is restoring database file number 1, 2, 3, system file, sysox file, undo file, user file. Now we should recover database command. When we issue the recover database command, RM will automatically apply a redo to the data file that needs recovery. Oh, spelling mistake. Recover database. Recover. Starting media recovery. Media recovery is completed. Now our restore and recovery process is complete. Now we can open our database. Alter database. Open. So now our database is open. So in this way we restore and recover our data file, and now our database is open.